Good morning, folks. This is a quick video for two reasons. Just a quick update on natural gas and a couple of other things. And then just to let you know, we've got a live stream later on this afternoon, my time, in the morning New York time. So watch out for that. There's a link on the channel. I want to just add to yesterday's video very quickly on natural gas and switch us over to the Henry Hub. Let's go to the day chart quickly. And there's the blob I drew in yesterday. That's where we rolled over into. And as I said, we might do a couple of things. There are a couple of paths that we might follow. And those are the paths I've got drawn on there. Just have a look at what I wrote yesterday. There is a chance that this might just melt up rather than down, and we'll take the green path. Certainly the way it looks at the moment, and we've actually taken a small long position. I'm doing this in the live stream today later on, so make sure you don't miss that. We'll cover this in some detail. But I think it's looking more positive than I thought it would be. When I shrink that down, it looks pretty nasty. Going over to the spot on Pepperstone here, or the continuous price, same sort of thing. I thought we could dip down into these support levels much earlier, straight away, but we haven't done that yet, and holding up quite well. Remembering that this is a week before the elections, everything's kind of up for grabs. I really don't know what's going to happen, and hopefully, and probably nothing, but there could be some sort of chaos being created. I don't even want to speculate. So I've exited my short oil position on WTI today, this morning, just ahead of the elections. We have remained in our natural gas position. Of course, we've held on to Bitcoin and gold. So stay tuned on this, and it'll be interesting to see where we get to by this afternoon when I do the live stream. And please feel welcome to join the live stream and ask any questions you might have there. And we'll have a few more 4-hour candles. Let's have a look at these 4-hour candles. There's the green circle now surrounding the new contract, the December contract. And I thought we would actually move down quite sharply, but rather we've moved up. So we took a long position there yesterday at the bottom of that 4-hour candle. And we'll see how we go at about $2.84. The only other thing I want to point out in this video, and I'll save the rest for the live stream, is Bitcoin. We've remained long on Bitcoin. I've revised my target actually higher for Bitcoin. It's no longer $100,000, but it's much, much higher. And there's a reason for this, which I might elucidate upon in the live stream. And it's basically really simply based on a basic bull rally or a flagpole. It's a diamond pattern missing the top half of the diamond. So it's a V shape. We'll have a look at that now. I'll just zoom in. And then, so that normal sort of flagpole, pennant, triangle, whatever you want to call it, is normally followed by an equally distant rally. So flagpole, consolidation, rally. The length of this consolidation on Bitcoin, the longest consolidation it's ever had, and such a clear pattern lead me to think we could go a lot higher. Now, I'm not being to the moonish on this, if you want to call it that, but it does sort of feel that way. And I've been mostly pessimistic about Bitcoin up until about 2 years ago. So I'm not a Bitcoin hodler, diamond hands, at all cost type person, although maybe I should be. But this is the sort of thing that I think we could be heading for. And that's a long way above us, up into 200,000. So keep that in mind, although this is very simplistic, and I think we're getting diminishing returns on Bitcoin, which will play into this, but maybe not. I don't know. So the rest of it I'll cover in the live stream today. I just wanted to update you on natural gas, and just to say that it looks a little bit more positive than I thought, and we have taken a new long position on the futures, the first position in this contract. In fact, let's have a look. So there we see the 4-hour dips. This is the 4-hour chart. 2 spike lows down into that region there, not getting back into the supply zone at around about 2.5 to 2.6, but holding up quite well. And on the day chart, the very familiar day chart, which you know pretty well by now, and on the day chart, you can possibly see the reason why we've held at this level so far, because Black Bull rolled over before the Henry Hub rolled over, and already has completed a bit of a dip into that sort of support consolidation zone down there. So I think it looks more positive than negative, particularly when you look at the 4-hour chart on the Henry Hub, with these 2 spike lows against the support down here. If I zoom across to the left, you can see why it's a support level, just a consolidation zone. Okay, folks, if you enjoy this, please like and subscribe, and join us in the live stream later. If you want to do that and you want to ask questions, just subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, which will make sure that if you forget about it, you'll still be notified about the live stream. All right, I'll see you a bit later on. Take care.
Lights up the place. Market swing, but we hold our base. Double bottom strong, we're in the chase. Come on, click and clack that online race. Charts go wild, but we own the space. Resistance systems broke, no time to waste. Rocket fuel.